Hello everyone, my name is Juan Carlos Anapam and I am from Peru. I am 41 years old and I am a university student. I am studying industrial engineering and I am very interested in technology and innovation. I consider myself a responsible and friendly person. I live with my family, my wife and my two daughters. My wife is a kindergarten teacher and my daughters are students. Every day I wake up at 6 a.m. and I take a shower. Then I have breakfast with my family. I usually drink coffee and eat bread with cheese. After that, I'm going to work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I like reading about science and technology. I love listening to music and playing video games in my free time. I don't like wake up early on weekends. I sometimes go to the cinema with my family and we usually eat pizza after the movie. I always brush my teeth after meal. I usually study in the evening and sometimes go out on weekend and I never smoke. After that, I'm going to ask some questions about me. Where do you live? I live in Callao, Peru. What do you? What time do you get up? I usually get up at 6 a.m. Do you like the university? Yes, I do. I really like it because I learn many interesting things. In, do you play sport? Yes, I sometimes play soccer with my friends. Do you have a pet? No, I don't, but I like to have a dog in the future. Thank you.